Welcome students, myself Mehboob Pasha, and today in this session we will continue with the exercise problems of 2.1 of rational numbers. Now we'll solve questions from second main. Okay, so look at here. What is given in the second main? Write the additive inverse of each of the following. Okay, so here they have given numbers and we need to find the additive inverse of those numbers. As I told you, additive inverse means what? A number will be given, what has to be added to that number to make it 0. So remember one thing, if you want to write the additive inverse, if positive number is given means you need to write negative numbers. If positive numbers is given means you need to write negative numbers. If negative numbers is given means what you need to do? You need to write positive numbers. Okay. To write additive inverse, what you need to do? If positive numbers is given means you need to write negative numbers, and if negative numbers is given means you need to write positive numbers. So look at here. What is the first number? 2 by 8. It is a positive, no? It is a positive number. So first number is 2 by 8. As it is positive, the additive inverse of this is what? As I told you, positive number given means you need to write negative numbers. That is minus 2 by 8. Now, what is the second question? Minus 5 by 9. This is a negative number now. It is a negative number. As I told you, negative numbers is, when negative number is given means what you need to write? You need to write positive numbers as the additive inverse. Okay. So the additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is what? Plus 5 by 9. Okay. So look at here students. Look at the third question. What do you think? Is it a positive or negative rational numbers? Minus 6 by minus 5. Is it positive or negative? Think. So it is not a negative rational number. It is what? It is a positive rational numbers. Why? Because look at here. When we as there is minus sign at both numerator as well as at the denominator, we can cancel this sign. Okay, as there is minus sign both at the numerator as well as at the denominator, we can cancel this. That is minus gets cancelled. If minus gets cancelled means what is remaining? 6 by 5. This is a positive, no? 6 by 5. So here, as I told you, okay, so look at here. So when you come across any number having minus sign at numerator as well as at the denominator, then that number is not a negative, it is a positive number. Okay, so look at here. Minus 6 by minus 5 is what? It is a positive rational number, that is 6 by 5. As I told you, it is a positive, no? Then what is the additive inverse of this? Minus 6 by 5. Okay, the additive inverse of minus 6 by minus 5 is what? Minus 6 by 5. Now look at the fourth question, students. What they are given? 2 by minus 9. They are given 2 by minus 9. This is negative or positive? Negative, no? This is a negative. Whether the minus sign is at denominator or at numerator, if there is one minus sign means the number is a negative. So here the fourth question is what? By 2 by minus 9. It is negative, no? It is negative. So what is the additive inverse of this? Positive. Okay. So here the additive inverse of 2 by minus 9 is what? Plus 2 by 9. Okay. The additive inverse of minus 2 by 9 is what? Plus 2 by 9. Now look at the fifth question. 19 by minus 6 is there. 19 by minus 6. Is it negative or positive? Negative, no? It is also a negative. Why? Because you are having minus sign at the denominator. So if this is negative means what will be its additive inverse? Positive, no? Yes. Its additive inverse will be positive, that is plus 19 by 6. Okay. The additive inverse of 19 by minus 6 is what? Plus 19 by 6. Now we'll solve third question. Okay. So now we'll solve third question. So look at your students, what they are given. Verify that minus of minus x is equals to x. So what we need to find? Whether minus of minus x is equals to x or not. What is the first question? The first question is they have given the value of x as 11 by 15 and we need to verify that whether minus of minus x will be equals to x or not. Okay, so look at here. So now put the value of x is in that expression. Put the value of x is equals to 11 by 15. So put the value of x is equals to 11 by 15 in that expression. Minus of minus x is equals to x. So minus of minus. Okay, so what is x? 11 by 15. And what is here? X, that is 11 by 15. X is 11 by 15 now. X is 11 by 15. And here minus x is 11 by 15. So minus into, as this bracket indicates what? Multiplication. So minus into minus will be plus 11 by 15. This is also plus 11 by 15. So same now. We have got same answer. Okay. So what we have got? If this is nothing is there means plus will be there. Okay. So here we can write LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. So in this case LHS is equals to RHS. As LHS is equals to RHS, therefore we can write hence verified. Now look at your students. What is the second question they have given? X is equals to minus 13 by 17. Okay. So now what we will do? Same. Put the value of x equals to minus 13 by 17. Now minus of minus x is equals to x. We need to see that whether this value holds good in this expression or not, or in this statement or not. Okay. So here minus bracket this minus and x. What is x? X is minus 13 by 17. X. So look at your students. Here minus is there. Here also minus is there. And the x value what they have given, it is also negative. Okay. So write one more bracket. Write one more bracket and write minus 13 by 17. Okay. So now this bracket close and this bracket will be closed. Now equals to x. What is x? Minus 13 by 17. So minus 13 by 17. So now look at here. Minus into minus will be plus. Okay. Now minus 13 by 17. And it will be what? You can take out bracket. It will be minus 13 by 17. Look at here. Plus into minus is what? Minus. Plus into minus is minus 13 by 17. Here also minus 13 by 17. Okay, so here both at both the side we have got minus 13 by 17 and minus 13 by 17. So what we can write? We can write LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so we can write LHS is equals to RHS. So as LHS is equals to RHS, therefore we can write hence verified.